Have you ever woken up feeling like you got hit by a truck? No matter how much coffee you guzzle down, you still feel sluggish and unmotivated. I used to wake up every morning feeling groggy and exhausted too. But then I discovered a few simple morning habits that have completely transformed how I feel each day. No caffeine is required. In this video, I'm going to share 5 morning habits that will supercharge your energy better than any cup of coffee can. Once you add these habits into your routine, you'll be shocked at how much more alert, focused, and productive your mornings are. These habits only take a few minutes each, but deliver an energy boost stronger than the highest octane espresso out there. Not only will you not need to rely on coffee anymore, but you'll also experience less brain fog, better concentration, and a more positive mindset to carry you through your day. Number 1. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. I know this seems ridiculous. How can losing sleep give you more energy? Here's the thing. Nothing kills your productivity faster than feeling rushed in the morning. Waking up 30 minutes earlier gives you time to ease into your day instead of being jolted awake by an alarm. Those 30 minutes allow you to do light yoga stretches in bed to get your blood flowing, sip some water, read an uplifting book, or just lounge before really starting your day. This avoids that anxious adrenaline spike that causes morning grogginess. Number 2. Hydrate immediately. Keep a large 20 to 24 ounces bottle of water on your nightstand and drink the entire thing within the first hour of waking up. Your body loses a lot of hydration overnight through breathing and sweat. Rehydrating first thing in the morning helps kickstart your metabolism and provides an energy boost. Some people also recommend adding lemon, mint, cucumber, or chia seeds to your water for an extra nutritional punch. Number 3. Move your body for 10-15 minutes. Any movement for 10-15 minutes gets your blood pumping and energizes your muscles. You can do sun salutations, go for a brisk walk outside, jump rope, or do bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups. Studies show short exercise bursts first thing in the morning provide sustained energy and improved focus for hours compared to being sedentary. Number 4. Eat a nutritious breakfast. Complex carbohydrates, fiber, protein, and healthy fats give you lasting fuel compared to simple sugars that lead to an energy crash later. Some of my go-to energizing breakfasts are chia seed oatmeal with almond milk, fruit, and nuts, a veggie omelet with avocado toast, or Greek yogurt with homemade granola and mixed berries. Last but not the least, meditate for 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes of meditation, deep breathing, or mindfulness. First thing dramatically reduces cortisol levels and anxious thoughts, helping you feel calm and focused. There are many great free guided meditation apps and YouTube videos to choose from. Sitting outside while meditating can provide an extra boost. When you turn these 5 habits into your daily morning routine, you'll be amazed at the natural energy they provide. No more relying on excessive caffeine to function. I can now get through my mornings feeling focused and productive without any coffee at all. If you're someone who struggles with low energy or caffeine dependence, I highly recommend trying these habits for 30 days. They've completely changed how I feel each morning. Let me know in the comments if you implement any of these and how your experience goes. That's a wrap. Let me know you enjoyed this one by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more. I'll catch you in the next video.